Hello, good morning students. Today I want to elaborate advanced physiography section number 2 for all of you. This section number 2 is based upon circles, loops and hooks. Circles we are used for S, loops we are used for ST and hooks we are used for FN, B and N. So let's start. First word is from us. For on the line with S circle for S. Please inform us. Circle through the line S circle, N, F and S circle for us. To us. To Katik, S circle for S. For us. As we used Swa circle for S and W. So Swa circle with V. Next is as we can. Swa circle for as we and can above the line. As we cannot. Swa circle K halved with N hook above the line. As we do, swa circle with D on the line. As we think, swa circle with it on the line. As we shall, swa circle with ish on the line. As we may, swa circle with M above the line. As well as usual, swa circle with upward L, S circle and Z for ish Z above the line, as well as can be, so a circle with upward L, S circle, K and B. As soon as we can, double circle for double S, one S from the as and another S from the soon. So double S with N, again S circle with way and can. As soon as they, double S circle with N, again S circle with D on the line. It is said, it is said. Double circle with double S and D. For his sake. For above the line, his के लिए एक circle and sake के लिए circle with K. In this century, in this century. Double circle N T upward R. In this city. In this double circle and T. In this subject. In this double circle with B. In this statement, of this statement of this double circle, T half for another T, state and meant. M halved with N hook. This has been, this with has double circle been attached with B and N hook. At first cost, above the line, T first के लिए ST loop and attached with K ST loop cost. When is the next way on the line N S loop S circle D and next के लिए ST loop on the side of N hook, on the left side of the D. In our view, NR and V with diphthong U through the line completed the outline. And our statement, NR S circle T half for another T, M half for T with N hook. It appears T on the line per and with circle S. Similarly, it appears that. Next is by all means ball above the line with M stroke, N hook and S circle within. It is only necessary T with S circle, N with L hook, N double S and upward R. It can only be T, K, null with B. It may only be T, M, null and B. They will only be D, upward L, null, and B. Longer than, above the line, upward L with NGR, NG doubled, and N hook for then. More than, above the line, MR with N hook above the line. Any longer, above the line, N downward L with NGR, NG doubled. No longer than, N on the line, downward L, NG doubled with N hook for then. Rather than, R upward double with N hook. Smaller than, SM above the line, upward L, downward R with N hook. Going on, gay, NG with N hook above the line. At all our own, at all above the line, tull, and upward R with N for own. N hook. Have been, expected. We on the line, for been, we can use N hook, K, S, P. Have been, expected. Have been informed, we on the line, been के लिए N का hook, informed, N and F. Have been returned, same have been, R upward T and another R half for D and attached with N hook. Who have not, who का tick, have के लिए loop hook, hook and not have. Out of doors, T through the line with F hook for off, D upward R with S. Rate of interest, R upward T, F hook, N doubled, S circle with T. State of affairs, ST loop with T, F hook, F consonant, R consonant, and S circle. Thursday afternoon, third, S circle, D, F hook, N with N hook. Thursday evening, third, S circle, D, Thursday, V hook, NG stroke. At all events, at all above the line, tull with V hook, N half for T with circle S into effect, and stroke T, F hook, K halved. Incorporated association, N above the line with cur. Association के लिए हम क्या यूज करेंगे, S with shun hook. Similarly, medical association, M halved, cull on the line, S circle with shun hook. Political association, pull half on the line, cull, S circle with shun hook. Traders association, tur on the line, dir, S circle with shun hook.